What's good, everybody, man? What's going on? This your boy Vlogging with Greg, and I'm back with another reaction video, man. So this one here is by Jefferson Airplane, called White Rabbit. So we gonna go ahead on and jump into this one here, man, and see what they're talking about, baby. Let's get it.
One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice.
So hold on, wait. First off, this song sound dangerous already. It sounds dangerous already. Cause for number one, I seen something on this dude guitar that looked like a frog, a, a poisonous looking frog at that. So this got to be one of those those trippy songs. This got to be it right here, cause the way she came in talking about which pill do what. Yeah, yeah, this one of them mind twisters right here. That's what this is.
One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall, tell 'em
Wait. What kind of pill is this? What kind of pill is this that got you chasing rabbits? Bro, like, one makes you big, one makes you small. What else she said? One makes you don't do nothing that you was told to do. And now you're chasing rabbits and, man, what pill is that so I can stay away from it, please?
chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall. Tell 'em a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you a call.
Cali.
Poor Alice, when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you just had some kind of mushroom, and your mind is moving low. Go ask Alice.
Wait, and your mind is moving what? Hold up, bro. She killing me with this, bro. Like this type of this singing that she doing with the dragon with the voice, bro. It's, yeah. I know it's trippy music, but Lord, oh my goodness, bro.
Tell you where to go, and you just had some kind of mushroom, and your mind is moving low. Go ask Alice, I think you'll know. Logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead.
Yo, bro. All right, for number one, that song, that towards the end of that song when she was just staring into the camera, singing the way she was singing, hypnotizing. That not gonna lie, it was hypnotizing. Like I'm staring at her, I'm telling myself to move, but it's like I couldn't. It felt like she had me under control. Like I did not like that feeling. I did not like that feeling, bro. But she did her thing on there. But that I see y'all saying acid. Yeah, that's not for me. That it's just not made for everybody. And I'm one of them guys. I'm one of them guys, man. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to feel it. They can have it. Y'all can have it. Whoever. I don't care. I don't want it, bro. I just don't want it, man. So look, shout out to her on that one, there, man. Well, them on that. That trippy, they can have it, bro. But yeah, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You already know who it is. It's your boy Vlogging with Greg, baby. Out.